Have you heard the term closing costs? Well, some people think that is just the down payment for a house, but actually there's a whole lot involved in that. I'm Lisa Graham with Kingsbury Realty.
And I'm Matt Koppelman with Fairway Independent Mortgage.
Today we're going to look at what exactly are closing costs and what all is involved. Matt?
So basically the term closing costs or cost for closing is going to be an amount that's going to be on top of your down payment. So some people think that you might only need 3% or 5%, or for an FHA loan 3.5% for the total cost of closing on the loan. That's not accurate. So that's just going to be your down payment amount. On top of that, you're going to have the closing costs that you're going to need, which the lender is going to have to collect at closing. So
tell us what goes into that so we know what else is on top of that down payment.
Yeah, so basically you're going to have costs such as title insurance that's going to have to be paid. You're going to have your taxes and insurance that are going to have to be paid at closing. Now, that basically is an escrow account that has to be established. You have to basically establish a 12-month reserve of that so you can pay your taxes each month.
Right, so what he means by that is when you get a mortgage, that lender is going to collect ahead of time to make sure that you have that money to pay when it comes time.
Yep, and then you're also going to have to pay for the appraisal, and that gets paid generally out of pocket. So that's generally the only fee with Fairway that would have to be paid out of pocket. A home inspection fee, which would be paid if you want to get an inspection on the home to determine if the home is okay.
Any kind of inspections would be the buyer's responsibility.
Then you're going to have other fees, like you're going to have a credit report fee, a processing fee. You might have an origination fee that the lender's going to charge. So basically on a $200,000 house, depending on what the taxes and insurance are, you're probably looking somewhere around $18,000 ballpark that you would have to have.
Right. So you may think, oh, I only have to do 3.5% down, which could be maybe $7,500. But really, with everything in those closing costs, you're looking at more of an $18,000 down payment, closing costs. So overall, it's a lot bigger chunk than what a lot of buyers are prepared for, and they don't know that is going to come at the end.
Yeah, so you have to, when you're working with a lender, be sure that they're going over the closing cost sheet with you, because you don't want to, because some things, if you're a first-time home buyer and haven't done this before, you're not going to know what some of this stuff means. So it's good for the lender to go over each item with you and just explain exactly what each item charge is.
Exactly. Always ask for an estimate of your closing costs.
Yep.
This is Lisa Graham with Kingsbury Realty.
Matt Koppelman with Fairway Independent Mortgage.
Make it a great day.